Hi, language learners. I'm Steve, and welcome to Single Step English. In this lesson, we're going to examine the meaning behind a curious phrase, down the rabbit hole. Let's dive in. When someone says down the rabbit hole, they mean entering into a complex or confusing situation, often unintentionally. It's like getting involved in something that takes you much deeper than you initially expected or planned. Literally, it's as though you fell down into a rabbit hole and have to keep digging to get out. Picture this. You start researching a topic online, and before you know it, you're looking up other information that you think is interesting. I know this has certainly happened to me. For instance, I was watching a movie last week. I recognized an actor in the movie, so I stopped the film and did a search for the actor's name. This led me to the actor's Wikipedia page. While reading the Wikipedia page, I started reading about one of his other movies. Then I clicked on that movie and read about the director of the movie. And then I clicked on her Wikipedia page and started reading about the director's biography and personal information. After that, I started reading about some of her other movies. I kept digging for information. So in this case, you can say that I fell down the rabbit hole. In my case, I started watching a movie, then looked up some actor, and fell down the rabbit hole. Down the rabbit hole is a casual way to express finding yourself in unexpected situations. For most of us who use the internet daily, I think falling down the rabbit hole is probably a common occurrence. I know it happens to me. Practice using it in your conversations, and soon you'll be using this idiom with ease. But beware that you may get lost looking up some interesting information. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next lesson.